Can an AI make your next viral video in 30 seconds? Let's find out. CapCut's AI Video Maker claims to turn text into videos. First, open the CapCut app. Click on AI Video Maker. Click on Instant AI Video. Choose the style you want. For shorts, choose 9:16 aspect ratio. Make sure to click on Generate Script option. Now just paste your script. Choose the AI voice you want.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Click on Create option. Done, the video has been created.
Want to work smarter, not harder in 2025? Here are 3 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity right now. No! 1. ChatGPT.
Click on Export. Enter the name of the video. Make sure to select 60 FPS. Click on Export. A video will be saved in Downloads folder. Subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.